29th December 2020, an unexpected visitor conveyed in a commercial tricycle came calling at the Ojaba residence of our community leader, Alhaji Nureni Akanbi. The keke napep rider had brought a fair-complexioned woman with Yoruba tribal mark to the family house of Alhaji Akanbi, who is the Arole Iba Oluyole. According to the keke napep rider, the stranger, who arrived from Ijebu-Ode earlier in the day, asked him to convey her to Ojaba area, where she intended to inquire about a missing link in her life. Hence, he brought her to the community leader.
It was last week, Tuesday, exactly this time, around 12. I came in. I just met one Mariwa outside the gate there. The Mariwa driver, I said, why did you park Mariwa this side of the gate? He said he brought some people. Then I saw this young lady. I was greeting her in Yoruba language because of her tribal marks. He said she didn't understand. They are here to see me. See me for what? Then I came inside and sat. The Mariwa man was introducing her. Say, who are you? What's your name? She cannot even speak any Yoruba language. She cannot even pronounce A or B. So she started telling me that she came to Ibadan with this Mariwa without knowing anybody.
Although she was unable to communicate in Yoruba language despite her Yoruba facial mark, she expressed herself in English. Her story goes thus.
What brought me here is that I have already due to settle. It's not that man is not coming to my hand in marriage. They are coming, big people. No poor people have come to my hand in marriage in life. But at the end, they will say, is it Yoruba they are marrying or Igbo? Because I did not even hear Yoruba. I now change my mind. It reached a stage, I said, okay, let me change my mind and marry Yoruba. Yoruba man will now come. When he look at this mark, he will say, no, I don't want to marry my sister. Because I don't know, maybe you are from my family now. Tell me the truth. Let us start finding it. Before I know, the person will just go like that. At this last one now is from Oyo. I said, okay, since he's from Oyo, through this mark, okay, let me settle with him. The same thing he said. Then I start moving from one place to another. So when I got to the church, they now say I have to go and find my biological father. That he lake us because my mommy, they took me by force. They didn't want to hand his daughter to him.
The mission of the lady who speaks Igbo fluently is to look for a biological father, a Yoruba man, and a soldier simply called Balogun, whom she had never set her eyes on. The lady, who gives her name as Vivian Ome, claimed that her mother of Igbo tribe, who is now late, took her to Enugu, making it impossible for her father to see her again. She's been living with her mother's relatives before she became a grown-up lady. It took a long time before she knew she had tribal marks, as she was forbidden from using a mirror by her people. She has only one request in her mission to Ibadan, looking for a biological father known as Balogun, a soldier. Having explained her ordeal, the lady threatened to commit suicide by 31st December 2020, 2 days away, which happened to be her birthday, if she was unable to locate her biological father. Touched by this statement, Alhaji Akanbi was moved to compassion and gave a rare commitment.
I said, you don't need to commit suicide. I'm adopting you from today. So for that day, I will do everything humanly possible. So when it was 5 o'clock, I have to give her rice and give her money Go and celebrate your birthday. I'm adopting her. Pending the time of anybody wanted to claim her, I've instructed my lawyer. So whoever has claim should contact me.
There is no doubt about the fact that the trip of this lady has not been in vain. The first reason, Alhaji Nureni Akanbi has decided to adopt her as his child and take full responsibility for her well-being. But beyond this lady honestly desires to know her father, her real biological father, and that's the reason why she was in Ibadan. Abioye Ayonide.